Hello, welcome back. This is LetsRollQ. I'm going to do demonstration on how to place the sandpaper, how to set up the sandpaper on the sander. I did a video. This is the continue of the before video that I have already. One of the comments was that I wasn't showing how to insert the sander sheet in, and if there were any parts needed to manipulate in order to correctly place the mentioned sheet sander in the tool. So there was some frustration about it. So so this is for Fanny Ross. So Fanny, I'm gonna show you how you do it. Sorry for the first video if it wasn't clear enough, or I wasn't able to show up like the sander and the sandpaper, how to set it up. I'm trying to improve my videos. Thanks for the comment. It was a pretty good comment. Let me get some lighting here. There you go, that's better. Okay, so for the paper, the sander itself comes with 2 sheets of this kind of paper. So it's already has holes on it. Now, if you want or are trying to use more paper for the sander and you don't want to buy a specific paper, so what I did is just bought a big sheet of paper, cut it using this right here as the measurements. So I keep in this on the side. I won't use it, I will just keep it for the measurements. I'll cut that at the size, and then when you have it, you could make the holes using this that comes with the sander. So if you can see here, let me see if I can show it. So it would be something like, hold on, gotta set it up. Okay, so something like this. So you put the paper in there, and you made the holes with this pin right here. Let me see if I remember. Okay, so it's right there. So it makes the hole. You can see it making the holes right there. Okay, so you set it up in a way so it makes the holes. You see right here, it goes with that. You can see right there, so it has the holes. Okay, so you made the holes with this thing here. What I did, what I personally did was I cut the size of it. I put it right here, and then I use this on top. Let me show you. So first, you will open this right here. Okay, that's for you to place the paper inside. Right, let me see. Right there. So you place the paper right there. Let it go, and it's tight now, right? So after you have that there, and it's not moving, you see it's all the way in there, right? Let me try it again. Move this forward to release it, and replace it again. See that? So let's see. Okay, so we make sure it's all the way in. It's tight, it's not gonna move. Okay, you go all the way back. This one is already used, okay, so that's why that's all messed up. It's because I already used it. So there you go, you put it right here. Now on the back right here, it has a little clamp. So you can see this clamp right here, okay? You manipulate it by using this side right here. So you put this all the way in the back. Like I repeat, it has already ripped because I already used it. I was sanding some furniture. So then you go, move this forward. See how it's grabbing it right here? So move this forward, up, and you're gonna put it through this thing right here. Right here. So it goes in here. So this will keep the back of the paper down. Okay? So there you have it. So when I had it like this Then I grab this and I make my holes by pressing on it. So something like this. You will figure. I mean, just have to see how it goes. Let me see if I can. Maybe I can show you which way this goes. So that way you can. There you go. So this right here, you can see the side right there, that corner, goes on the right side of the machine. Okay, so that's how you're gonna put it to press down into the paper. So we put the paper down, move this forward, up, it's not moving, and then this corner goes on the right side of the machine, and then you press down. I press down, right? Makes the holes, and there you go. You made the holes right there. So that's how you made the holes on the paper. And like I said before, I would recommend you to keep an original piece of paper so you can cut a specific size of it for the machine. So then when you put it in, it's easier. So you have one clap in the front, one clap at the back. Let me see if one clap in the front, one clap at the back, right there. So I hope that helps. And I apologize if my first video wasn't that good. I just got this new camera too, so I can get a wide view, a bigger view of my videos, whatever I'm taking video of. But thanks for the comments. Please let me know if I can improve it in any way. My videos are to teach people things, learn new things, try new things out, and I love when people leave comments and try to leave comments that are to improve my videos. So thanks again. This is LetsRollQ. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos. That will help a lot. So this was the air guard technology sander, square sander. So you can set it up with different papers, sandpaper. Thank you.